Hi guys. Welcome to another software review video on my channel. In this video, I am going to share with you my quick overview of TechSmith Camtasia 2019, one of the best screencast software for creating online training videos in the world. You will learn all the most important features of Camtasia 2019. On the other hand, you will know if it's worth to spend $249 purchasing its license here too. Video will start after a few second intro clip. Let's go. Here I have downloaded and installed Camtasia 2019 free trial version on my computer. This start page will pop up when you launch Camtasia 2019. From here you can watch Camtasia's tutorial, create a new blank project, or start a new recording. Let's go ahead to create a blank project. With Camtasia, you are free to trial within 30 days. This notification will always pop up when you start Camtasia Editor. To go ahead, click Continue Trial. Like other Camtasia version, this 2019 version does not have so much changes in the interface. On the left side are all important features, and the preview canvas is in the middle. At the bottom is the timeline for assembling your clips. Before editing your video, don't forget to check out Camtasia project setting from the drop-down menu at File tab. With Camtasia, you can edit and export 4K video at maximum 60 FPS and many other options. You can also change the background of your video, or apply a theme for the whole project. For uploading to YouTube, let's stick with 1080p 30 FPS to get highest video quality level. In Camtasia 2019, there is an option to let the program automatically adjust the loudness across clips to maintain the audio consistency for the project. Check this box if you want to do that. Click here to apply your settings. Let's move to Camtasia's important features. On top of the list is the media bin where you store your video, audio files and images. You can change to list view, or grid view here. There's an icon showing what type of resource at the bottom corner of the thumbnail. Click this plus icon if you want to import more resource from your computer, or from Google Drive account. Being noticed that you can also drag your videos, or images directly to the media bin by drag and drop actions. Next thing I want to show you is Camtasia library feature. This library is not only usable for your current project, but future projects too. Here you can create your own library for later uses, or select Camtasia's built-in library where you can access to its stock footage, low third templates, intros, outros and so on. Want more videos, or audio templates, go ahead to TechSmith's assets page to find the one for you. There are some free assets and some paid ones in this page. Like other asset websites, TechSmith Assets Library requires you to purchase a subscription plan at $199 per year. Consider this plan only when you want to use these assets for your business. For personal use, I would not recommend you to buy it. Let's move on to other important features of Camtasia 2019. The Annotation tab lets you add callouts into your video in different formats like texts, arrows, sketch motion callouts, blur, highlights and so on. Each annotation format will have 4 different styles you can select. Those kind of annotations are very helpful when you make online training videos. In Transition tab, you can drag a selected transition to your clips. Camtasia divides transition category into 5 main sections such as fade, movement, stylized, objects and wipes. To apply transition, you can drag it into middle of your clips, at the beginning, or end of the clips. That's very similar to other video editing software on the market now. Down below is Behavior tab where you can add different kind of motion to your text, video or images. Here's an example. This is a simple text I overlay on the video, add behavior to it. You can customize the behavior by click on the box, and look for the property at the right side of the window. I will make another example about behavior so that you know how to use it. At the Annotation tab, add a simple text to the video. Let's move the old example to another position. Double-click on the text to edit it. With Camtasia, you will have all the basic option to customize your text, such as change the font, size, overlay, character spacing and so on. Now you see that the text is displayed without behavior. I will select one of these behaviors for this text. That looks a little bit too simple. Let's delete the effect drifting, keep only explode effect and customize the behavior for in, out and during. Here is the result. That's fun and quick, right? Let's move on to the Animation tab. Like behavior, animations can be added to any object in Camtasia. You can apply animation for your text title, your video clips, or images. To add animation, move your marker the position you want to add animation, drag an animation on top of the object you want to animate. Drag this arrow to control the animation duration manually. There are other different kind of animations you can apply to your text or video. Like this example. How about visual effect and audio effect in Camtasia 2019? As I mentioned earlier in this video, Camtasia is mainly designed for creating online training videos. It does not have load of video and audio effect to apply for your clips like other video editors. However, you are still able to colorize your clips, adjust the color, add device frame for the clips and some other stuff. The only advanced effect I found here is the Chroma Key, which is capable of removing green background from your footage when you record video in a studio. Let's me add a green screen footage and use the Chroma Key feature to remove the green background to see how it looks. When your clip is on the timeline, go to Visual Effect, drag Remove Color on top of the clip. As you can see, Camtasia automatically remove green background color as default option. But when you zoom in the canvas, you can easily see that the color is not completely removed. You will need to adjust tolerance at the property pane to get the best result. So you are halfway to learn everything about TechSmith Camtasia 2019 now. In the second part, I will talk about Camtasia Screen Recorder, its export options, and where to download Camtasia free trial version. Click this red button to launch Camtasia's Screen Recorder. With Camtasia, you can record your computer screen in full screen, customized area, lock to application, your webcam, audio from microphone and system sound at the same time. Before start your recording, don't forget to check out Camtasia's settings before you hit capture button. As I am not going to record a long video, I just leave it as default and start. Once you stop the recording, Camtasia will bring you back to the editor where you can edit your recording, add annotations, behaviors, animations and other stuff that you see in the first part of this tutorial. Your recording will be stored at the media bin, and displayed on the timeline as separated audio and video track. There are some great options in Camtasia you may want to try. Out of all the features I mentioned earlier, is the cursor effect. These cursor effect can be added after you finish your recording. It has customized styles for cursor, left-click effect, right-click effect as well as smoothing cursor path, only available in Camtasia 2019. For example, you can add highlight cursor effect to the recording by drag and drop on top of your video track. Then customize the color and size of the highlighter. Add smoothing cursor effect by drag and drop too. Finally, export your recording to get your final result. To export your video, click Share button at the top right corner. There are some different sharing options here too. If you only want to export the project into video, choose Local File, select video resolution you want to export. Click here to start rendering. That's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. For those of you who have not tried Camtasia 2019 yet, go ahead to the link in the description to download it. Thanks very much for watching and I will see you in my next videos. Bye for now.